Plastic model builders, welcome back. I gave you a poll to answer some questions to about which model you would like to see me do next. Well, we got 17 responses, so thank you for those 17 votes, and I will tell you the results. First, let's tell you who didn't win, or which models didn't win, I should say. These ones. Just move these to the side right here. Pretend they didn't even happen. Alright, so here are the winners. We had 17 votes. The first one is the B-17G Flying Fortress. That received 7 votes. B-25 Mitchell, that received 5 votes. The Stuka got 3. And of course, the Spitfire, that got a whopping 2 votes. And then the Enterprise, well, already added up 17 votes. So that means it didn't get any votes. I guess nobody cares about the Enterprise. Imagine that. Anyway, so we're going to be doing the B-17G, the B-25 Mitchell, and the Stuka. 3 models for the year. We look forward for you watching these videos. Of course, you know, they come out every 2 weeks. Might pop in one a little bit before then. You know how that goes. So we're going to do some model making madness and make these look pretty. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, see ya.